Here's the next part. Time to smash and bash things with the King DDD hammer. Yeah, and he can break through these with this. Hell yeah. It's hammer time. I had to say it. It's hammer time. Oh, two. Alright, time for stage 2. Woohoo! I got to get better at my commentary. Because I'm starting, I can feel that I get quiet at some moments because I lose things to talk about. Oh, yes. Oh, no. Actually, I'll keep the hammer. I have to say forget Water Kirby for this time. Whoa. Never did that one. But okay. Get down. Get down. Take it to the house. Oh, no. I can't sing. Sorry. Don't sing. I won't sing. I won't start singing. Yeah, secret. A little secret for anyone trying to collect these stars here. Kind of obvious secret, but you know, it's a Kirby secret. Alright, let's go. Should I get... Nah, I'd like the hammer. Keep the hammer as long as I can. Even though I need this to get one of those nodes, but I'm not collecting them all as I stated in the first video. So, forget that. F it. Like I said, I don't curse. I'll say like F it or the B, like I'll say the first letter of any bad word, but that's it. No cursing. I don't curse. And I can just do that. No! Oh. Oh. That scared me for a second. Alright, let's go. I don't want to fail. Come on. Oh, sorry guys, I got quiet there first. Oh no. Oh man, oh well. Oh no. How many times have I lost this hammer? Alright. Maybe I should just get rid of it. But, you know. I just love this power. Besides water, this is the one of the best power-ups to have. And Sword Kirby. Sword Kirby's alright too. Oh, but Fighter Kirby. When I get that, oh man. Or should I say Knuckle Joe Kirby? That's what I call him. But you can call him whatever you want. I don't care. But he's Knuckle Joe Kirby. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this one I gotta get rid of the hammer. Okay, whatever. Alright. Give me my Magica. Flare Beam Kirby. Watch this. Oh yeah. Yeah. Destroy, 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 destroy. Kirby smash. Destroy, destroy. Alright, get rid of this. How you turn that? Okay. Alright, let's go some more. Time to destroy again. I can see it. Destroy. 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 Oh, there it is. The black hole of death. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, water. This time, floating blocks of water. Ah, forget it. Just keep going. Oh! What? What? Wow. That was a fail. Sorry for that fail, guys. I'll do better. I always do that for some reason on these levels. Suck it in and then die. Anyway, I'll try to improve my gameplay skills later, but for now, I just want to get this video done. When will this finish uploading? I have no idea, but whenever it does, I got school tomorrow. But next weekend is another 3-day weekend, so I'm happy about that. Alright, shoot that. That gets rid of all this stuff in my way. Alright, get rid of all that. Get rid of all that. Anyway, let's go. Alright, time to fight this boss again. Looks like I'm using whip Kirby. Yep, it's always the same dude. He just gets kind of tougher. As you can see, he's more red than last time we fought. Because he's fire this time. Ugh, come on. Dang it. No! Do you know what you just did? Fire Kirby. You just ended your life, buddy. Dang it. Fire Kirby don't have an up attack. And there it is. Oh, my controller just fell. Anyway. Let's end this. Let's end this level. It's almost there. That's it. Anyways, I think that's the end of the video today, guys. Next time, we'll enter stage 3. Alright? Unlock that. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. And bye.